Aloha everybody, this is Gabe from the Hawaii Institute of Self-Reliance, His Survival. Welcome back, mahalo for watching. This is an update video, walk and talk. It's about 5:30 in the morning. I'm in Leilani Estates. We are looking at the glow from Fissure 8. I want to thank everyone for their thoughts and prayers. My homestead is doing good, my animals are doing good, I'm doing fairly decent. I took a break from uploading YouTube videos for a couple days, and that was nice to get out of the lava zone, hang out with friends, and explore this beautiful island. Thankfully, my homestead is still intact, except for, SO2 and acid rain and the Pele's hair, which is like a fiberglass that's all in the air. It's fairly normal, kind of healthy, not really healthy actually, to live there. But thankfully it's still there, and I can stay there. Now, I just wanted to thank you all for your thoughts and prayers. So real quickly, I want to mention that I will be leaving my P.O. Box address in the description box. So if you guys want to send me something, I'm gonna, start doing videos, like vlog videos, and I'll incorporate that, show, what my fans, I hate to use that word, but my viewers, show what my viewers have sent me and stuff like that. And I just want to let you all know that I'm doing okay. I mean, it is getting old. This eruption's been going on for almost 3 months at the time of this video. So it's a little taxing, and I think everyone's tired of this eruption. And Pohiki, one of the last spots that everyone can go and enjoy the coast. Didn't really have much of a beach, but there was good surfing, and it had a boat ramp, so you could put your fishing boat in the water. And it was the second most productive boat ramp on the island. And if you've ever seen Pohiki, you'd be surprised at that stat, right? I mean, Pohiki is really small. It's got a really small boat ramp, but it's loved by the locals, and honestly it's the last spot that we have to really hang out and surf and fish and camp. It's the only camping spot on this side of the island. Now, when Kaimu was taken in the mid-90s, it basically just made this place, not to be mean, made this place junk, honestly. And that was a big reason why my family left, in the early 90s. And they moved me to the mainland. I was young. And, there was other reasons. It got really violent and crime-ridden here in the late 80s and the early 90s. And then with the best black sands beach in the world being taken by lava, you kind of, are sad and you want to leave. Now, we do have Kahena, but for the locals, it's not really the best. It's kind of a nude beach, so you don't necessarily want to take your kids there, and it's not the best, right? Now, I remember Kahena as a kid, and it's fun. It's a beautiful beach, but it's kind of dirty, and that's because of the people that are kind of transient, that just hang out down there, So, anywho, Pohiki is probably going to get covered in lava, most likely. And that's the last spot that we have, so everybody's freaking out at the time of this filming, this video. lava was about 400, 500 feet roughly from the boat ramp. And all the surfing spots have been taken, all the tide pools, all sorts of stuff. So if Poiki gets taken, then Puna won't really be as special as it was. So it's going to be sad when that happens. And a lot of people are going to move away. I might even think about it, about moving away, Thankfully, my homestead is not covered in lava, and every day I wake up and I thank God that I can stay at my homestead. So I'm gonna just make this real quick, just a real quick, walk and talk morning video. You can see that the sun is barely poking through the clouds. It's kind of cloudy today. It's probably gonna rain, and so I should probably start heading back home. We're close to my homestead right now. And I also wanted to mention Olight is going to have a sale from the 27th to the 30th of this month. And so Olight flashlights. Olight sent me this this M1T Raider. I want to thank Olight for that. I'm testing it out. It's a rechargeable battery flashlight, EDC flashlight, fairly slim, fits in the palm of your hand. I've got a lanyard on it right now, but it's pretty bright. It's like 500 lumens, and it's got a second mode. It's a little tricky to switch on the second mode. Still getting used to it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can barely see the second mode. Okay, so yeah, go check them out. I'll provide a link in the description box to where you can go to their website and get some killer deals. I mean, it's like 40% off on flashlights that are like $100. So I'll provide a link in the description box to that, and like I said, I'll provide a link to I'll provide my PO box to where you guys can send me stuff, and I'll start doing vlog videos and kind of mix it up here. Now, this flashlight. So it does heat up. I think there's a problem with a heat issue, but I'm going to test it further. I've been testing it for about a week right now, so I'm going to start carrying it for a few weeks and then give you guys a review on this flashlight. Okay, so I think I'm going to wrap this video up right here, and I just want to again thank you all for your thoughts and prayers. I'm doing good. I might make a separate video on my mental health. I think that might be good for me. Okay, so yeah, I want to thank you all for the like. If you like this video, drop a like. Thank you for the comments. I'll try to answer all your questions. And thank you for the share. Thank you for subscribing. And hit that bell symbol to get notifications for when I upload a video. You can watch it. Yeah, actually get a notification to when I upload videos. Okay, and until next time, ahoy ho, yeah, aloha.